Wondering how much YouTube actually pays per view? Let's break it down. YouTube pays creators through AdSense, but there isn't a fixed rate per view. On average, creators earn about $0.18 to $0.30 per 1,000 views. That means if your video gets 1 million views, you could make around $180 to $300. The amount depends on factors like your audience's country, watch time, ad engagement, and the type of ads shown on your video. Niche topics like finance or tech usually pay more than general entertainment because advertisers are willing to spend more. Views are important, but engagement, watch time, and ad clicks plays a huge role in your earnings. Many YouTubers also earn through sponsorships, affiliate links, and merchandise to boost income beyond AdSense. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.